Yo! What's up, guys? It's me. It's me. It's me.
What the fuck?
Crazy Miguel, back with another video. And it's been a long time since I uploaded another video, but here we are. It's me. So, a little information on this video. I'm going to show you the process of me building a PC. My very, not first, but second or third PC, I don't remember. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. By the way, I forgot to mention, I'm unboxing my PC case and my motherboard. My motherboard! I'm sorry guys, I'm new to this YouTube thing again and again and again. It's me. So that's the end of the video. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.